Good day, it's Rowena List from GettingItTogether.ca, and today I'd like to chat with you about keep it or toss it. Should it stay or should it go? You want to keep things around you that you absolutely love, need, and use. So keep those items that bring you joy and have a purpose. If it's a sentimental item and you're using it or it's on display somewhere and you're really enjoying it, then keep it. It's entirely up to you. After all, it's your life. Keep things that fit you right now, that fit into your life and your lifestyle right now. And keep things that you would absolutely buy again if they were lost in a flood or a fire. When it comes time to tossing things, you want to toss things that when you look at them, they feel negative or they make you feel unhappy or sad. Those things you want to toss. You want to toss things that are not worth repairing. Unfortunately, in this day and age, there's a lot of things that cost a lot more to repair than they do to replace. You want to toss things that if they were a gift and they're not serving you and you've never ever even opened them up. Now, when I say toss, of course, I mean, donate appropriately. So if it's something that you can send to the consignment store or to donate or give to a friend or a charity or something like that, then of course do that. I'm all about less in the landfill as possible. So check out the article below and see the quick tips. And if you have any questions about whether you should keep it or toss it, by all means, check in with me at GettingItTogether.ca and I'll walk you through it. The key is to be ruthless and not to keep things just in case. The 3 deadliest words. You've heard me say them before. So I encourage you to take 15 minutes right now and just go through your house and decide on one area what you're going to keep and what is going to go to your success.